Hey guys, this is Ben from Level Law. Today I'm going to talk about statutory demands. What is a statutory demand? A statutory demand is similar to a letter of demand, except that it is governed under Section 62 of the Bankruptcy Act. You can Google the Bankruptcy Act. It has to be in a special format called Form 1. Let me show you what it looks like. Now, the statutory demand has to set out particulars of the debt, okay, including security held. What is security? Security means something of value that the other party holds as collateral for the debt, so that there is no double claiming. They don't want the security to exceed the debt. Let me show you what particulars of debt and the security section looks like. Now, it is very important when you receive a statutory demand that you do not ignore a statutory demand. Why? Because under the law, a debtor, a person owing money, is presumed to be unable to pay a debt if he does not comply or apply to set aside a statutory demand. What is set aside? Set aside means cancel. If someone issues you a statutory demand and you dispute the debt, you have to hire a lawyer. You can do it yourself. You have to hire a lawyer within 14 days of receiving the statutory demand to file a summons with the High Court to cancel the statutory demand. That's called setting aside. You have to have valid reasons, though. You cannot just cancel it for the sake of it. So, if after a statutory demand for payment has been served on the debtor, and the debtor does not repay the debt within 21 days, and he does not apply to set aside the statutory demand within 14 days of being served, then the creditor, the person issuing the letter of the statutory demand, can take out a bankruptcy application against the debtor. If the debt is a court judgment, in particular a default judgment, you can watch one of my videos about default judgment. If the debt arises from a judgment, the court is not going to look behind the judgment, the merits of the judgment, because it has already been litigated or it's a default judgment. So the court, if the debt arises from a judgment, the court will just look at the judgment and yeah. So thanks for watching this video on statutory demand. Please click like and subscribe.